This is Audi A4 B8 2006. It has starting problem. It starts intermittently. It will start today, tomorrow it won't start, and then all these keep happening. Sometimes it won't start at all. First of all, I will show you how to diagnose and fix the problem. This particular problem is related to fuel pump, not supplying fuel to the engine, to the injectors. First of all, you need to look at the fuse, check the fuse. The fuse is on the driver's side. This is a right-hand side car. It's on the driver's side, as you can see. Side of the dashboard, as you can see. This is the fuse, as you can see. This is the fuse box, and then the fuse is number 3. It's number 3 to my right. 1, 2, 3. You can see number 3 to my right. 1, 2, 3. Number 3 is a 20 amps fuse. First of all, check the fuse. If the fuse is good, if the fuse is broken, you can fix it, and then check if there's a fuel supply to the car. If there's none, then you need to remove the pump in the tank. But in this case, the fuse has been broke. The fuse is good, so I removed the fuse and then check the supply here to the fuse. So there was no supply, and there is no supply. So what I did is I come here to the engine side, and then remove the, you can move away this is the ECU. Remove the ECU, move it away. There are a couple of relays here, as you can see. So amongst this relay, there's this relay, you can see, is here. That is the relay that controls that the pump. So when I removed the relay, I realized that it was rusty. So I cleaned the relay and put it back. Then come back to the fuse here, to the fuse box here, and then I tested the supply, and there was a supply here, which is good. Then I put back the fuse, and then here we go. Then the car starts, and then no problem. Problem is fixed. I hope it helps someone. Thank you.